Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Maps app on Weebly. This is incredibly useful if you want to show your business location, office address, or any specific place directly on your website, making it easy for visitors to find you without leaving your page. First, head over to Weebly.com and log in to your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home page. Take a look at the left menu where you'll see the website option. Click on it, and underneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. Next, you'll need to choose which website you want to edit from your list of sites. Once you've selected it, look at the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you directly to the editor page of your website where you can make all your changes. Now, before we proceed with embedding on Weebly, we need to grab the embedded code from Google Maps first. Open a new tab and go to Google Maps, search for and select the location you want to embed on your site. This could be your business address, a meeting point, or any place you want visitors to see. Once you've selected your location, click on the Share button. A menu will appear with different sharing options. From there, click on Embed a Map. This will generate an HTML code specifically designed for embedding. Go ahead and copy this embedded code. You'll need it in just a moment. Now let's head back to the Weebly editor page. At the top menu, make sure you're on the Build tab. This is where you'll access all the elements and tools to customize your website. Focus your attention on the left side menu and look for the embed code element. If you can't find it right away, don't worry. Just click on Show All Elements and it should appear in the list. This element is what allows you to add custom HTML code to your site. Once you've found the embed code element, simply drag it into the section of your website where you want the map to appear. You can place it anywhere on the page, whether it's in the header, footer, or main content area. After placing the element, click on it and you'll see an option to edit custom HTML. Click that option and a text box will open up. This is where you'll paste the Google Maps embedded code you copied earlier. Simply paste it into the text box and the map will automatically be embedded into your site. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Google Maps app on your Weebly website, giving your visitors an interactive way to find your location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.